Riding our motocross bikes up a massive volcano here in Bali ended up in disaster. First I was booking a plane ticket from Melbourne to Bali. The pilots were amazing, the sunset was great, my taxi driver picked me up. Hey, by the way guys, the people here in Bali are the best. After that, the taxi driver dropped me off to a massive villa that my business partner owns. Then of course I had to rent the most powerful motocross there is in Bali. This one here is a 450cc and that thing guys is flying. After traveling for 2 whole hours, the volcano finally was within reach. And then the unexpected happened. Make sure you follow, subscribe, because I'm releasing the full episode on our channel on what actually happened and if we made it on top of the volcano.